Jasmine, you want to tell the people who you are?
Jasmine Young.
Okay. So where are you from, Jasmine?
Little Rock.
Little Rock. Okay. And Jasmine is one of the stars of the upcoming movie Young Entrepreneurs. It's a reality show called Young Entrepreneurs. You want to tell us a little bit about that? You just want to let them see the movie? Okay, so what's your definition of a superstar?
Someone who's awesome.
Someone who's awesome. Now you feel like you're awesome? Okay, so you feel like you're a superstar?
Yes.
Okay, so look at the camera and tell them that you feel like, say, I'm a superstar.
I'm a superstar.
Yeah! Well, let me let you do your little walk. Just do your walk so they can get you real good. All right. Okay. There you go. Okay. So who we have here? This is Josiah. No, I got it wrong. It's King Josiah, right? All right. There we go. King Josiah. All right. This is also and you're starring in the movie coming up, Assistant Pastor. You want to tell us a little bit about that? You want to let them see the movie? Come on, give us a little snippet about what it's about. Turn around and look at the camera real quick. Just give us a little snippet about what the movie is about. You don't want to let the sneak it out the bag just a little bit? Okay, so what's your definition of superstar, King Josiah?
Somebody got that swag up all day, every day, 24/7.
Okay, 24/7 swagger, 24/7 swagger. Okay, now, tell them that definition again in the camera.
Somebody got the swagger 24/7 all day, every day.
Every day, all day. Now you feel like you got your swagger all day, 24/7, every day, all day?
Yes, sir.
All right. So then, do you feel like you're a superstar?
Yes, sir.
Now tell everybody, say I'm a superstar. All right. Go ahead, do your walk all the way to the carpet, so they can get you. All right. Okay. Who do we have here? This is the entertainer, comedian, actor, songwriter, neo soul brother. What's your name? Tell everybody your name.
Cameron.
Cameron. Okay, Cameron. What brings you here today? You don't know why you're here today? Okay. Now, what is your definition of a superstar?
Somebody who lives in a mansion.
Somebody who lives in a mansion. Okay. Now, do you feel like you're a superstar?
Yes.
Okay. Because you have a mansion right now? But will you have a mansion?
Yes.
All right. So look at the camera and let everybody say, I'm a superstar.
I'm a superstar.
All right. Give it up for Cameron. All right. What's your name, man? What's up, buddy? What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden. How old are you, Jaden? All right. All right. Turn around the camera, Jaden. Well, you sharp, though. There you go. Turn around the camera. All right. Look over there. Look right there. Jaden, right there. There you go. Everybody give it up for Jaden. All right. Okay. Okay, here we have Kendall and Kennedy from K&K Designs. All right. All right, those sisters. All right. So I think you all have a project coming up, right? It's called Forget Hannah Tanner. We the Real Superstars. Okay, you want to tell us a little bit about that movie? Do you want to tell us a little bit about that movie? You want to tell us a little bit about the movie? Okay, so what's your name?
Kennedy.
Kennedy, and your name?
Kendall.
Kennedy and Kendall from K&K Enterprises. All right. And so, what is your definition of a superstar?
I think it's cool.
Think it's cool? Okay, you feel like you cool? Alright, you feel like you cool. Okay, your definition of a superstar, Kennedy? To be famous. You feel like you're a superstar? Okay. Y'all look at the camera right there and say, I'm a superstar.
I'm a superstar.
All right. You want to go ahead and do your one-way walk? You want to do your one-way walk? Woo! All right. Who we have next? Hey, come on, talk to the Trinity. Hey, how you doing? You doing all right? What's your name? How old are you? Say it again. You 3. Are you a superstar? Yeah. See, I'm getting there. Okay, get a picture of her on the red carpet. She'll pose for the camera, won't she? She didn't want to come here and talk to me. She just wanted to pose for the camera. Look at her. She all up in the camera. So she knows she's a superstar. All right. Who we have next? Okay. All right. Who we have here? Oh, everybody, it's Alexis. Alexis Penn. All right. Are you? I like what you have on. What do you have on?
I don't know.
You know, that's the other label that Kyron had too. Okay. All right. So look at everybody and look at the camera. What do you feel is the definition of a superstar?
Children of the Lord.
Children of the Lord. They're superstars. Okay. All right. And you're starring in the upcoming movie Young Prophetess. You want to tell us a little bit about that movie?
Well, I just want to give all the glory to the Lord, you know, and I just want to let you guys see it because I can't let it out. It's no fun.
You can't give us a little bit about it?
No, you just have to look at the trailer and then when it comes out, you have to go watch it.
Okay, how do we get to the trailer?
How do you? YouTube, of course, always.
YouTube, on the trailer, YouTube, and you can see the movie Young Prophet. You're also starring in the upcoming epic, the reality documentary movie Young Entrepreneurs. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I've always wanted to start my own business so that I can help others. And that's just my dream. That's all I can tell you.
Okay. Now, how do you feel about your co-stars, Brittany Veazey, Jasmine Young, James Rogers, and Simone Rogers, who is also your partner in the movie?
They are just wonderful people. I'll tell you, you should go see them. They're wonderful people.
All right. Well, everybody give it up for Lexis Jones. All right. So now that the kids are done, adults, if you all would just come on up and you could just, come on. Why my kids don't want to walk down the red carpet? I don't understand that. Okay. Christian, come on down the red carpet. Okay, never mind. All right. So adults, you all can come on up the red carpet and they'll take your pictures as you're coming. As you're coming, you can just line up here, whatever, how you want to do it. I'll do interviews over here. Okay, you'll do interviews with me? Okay, all right. And so you'll be seated and if you be seated over here, okay? Adults, you all can come on up and they can get your picture on the red carpet, okay? And while others are taking pictures, we'll take interviews. There we go. We have Candy, Neo Soul Candy. Come on up here. We want to interview you today. Come on, girl. Everybody give it up for Candy. All right. Come on so we can interview you. All right. You all can just go ahead up at random and get your interview. Come on, you can have a seat right here beside Lady Godiva. And everybody, by the way, give it up for Lady Godiva here. All right. She's here on today, all right? So we have Candy in the house. All right. So Candy, I hear you're starring in the upcoming movie Upgrade. Okay. And Upgrade, you want to tell us a little bit about Upgrade and what that's all about? And all the challenges that you had to go through with the Upgrade? You don't want to tell us about that? You don't want to tell us about that?